Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you the installation of my new MXQ Pro Android TV box with my Samsung HD TV. Okay, first of all, I'm going to show you how to install this TV box and connect with my TV, and secondly, we're going to set up it together. Okay, now let's begin. So let me summary what you are going to do. So here we have the HDMI cable. Everything have inside the box, so you no need to buy the external accessory. Just only thing you need to buy is the TV remote battery. Okay, and now we plug this HDMI cable into the HDMI port of the MXQ Pro. And the other side of the HDMI cable, you need to plug it into your HDMI cable located on the back of your TV, so you can find one. And another thing, you just need to plug this socket to your power supply and then input it into your MXQ Pro with this port like that. So the installation will be like this. So you can see here the power supply to the TV box and then the HDMI to the TV. So now you just make change your TV to display through your HDMI port. So here we can see this HDMI 2, and then just select on it. And here is the home page of the MXQ Pro. And now let's try to make remoting to the TV. So the first time we turn it on, there is no setup at all. Okay, when you first start it, now we need to connect to the Wi-Fi network. So you can see here the setting logo here. Just go there and then press OK. And now you will see the some menu pop up on the right hand of the screen. Just select network, and you will see some available network and connect any of your home network. Input your password. So for a better typing, you no need to press one by one text. So I bring a USB keyboard and connect to the USB port of the MXQ Pro, so it's workable. Okay, after input your Wi-Fi password, just go to next here. Okay, now connection successfully. We just back. And first of all, I want to check out what is the Play Store. So we go to my app. And then we need to go to Play Store. So we need to sign in our Gmail account. It looks similar to the Android phones app, not like another Android TV. So let's check out any. So here we have the Clash of Clans on the TV. So now just try to install one and let's see. Okay, now the download is complete and it take a bit long time, and sometimes it's pop out to the home page, but it doesn't matter. I just go back to the Play Store and search for the COC again, and it will bring you to the download, and it's still continuing download. And now we try to open it. Now it pop out to the home page again. So now I go to home page and we let's check out to the app. So here you can see the Clash of Clan. Okay, now I try to open it once again. It I think it's slow. Okay, this time is a bit faster, but still the loading is in the middle, and then let's wait. Now go. And then it go out to the home page again. Now I think let's try once more time, and if it not success, have no idea about it. So it I tried it 2 to 4 times already, and it still get back to the home page. So I think it's not workable for this app. So one more thing we try on YouTube. Okay, for the YouTube it's workable. There's no any effects. So I just want to play one free license video. We try to play one non-copyright video. So it's workable, and it uses the TV speaker. So you need to adjust the volume through your TV remote, and this one, this, oh, what happened? So this remote you can adjust when you see volume here. So I put it to the maximum, still not loud, so we need to adjust the volume through the TV remote also, so you can adjust both of the volume through that both remote. Okay, and that's all for today's video of the installation and the setup of the MXQ Pro Android TV box. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video. And let me sorry for the some app that doesn't work and I cannot fix it. And thank you again for your time, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.